I see that one there.
What? Daggone it. Don't move. Oh, he's pretty. Oh, he's pretty. Oh my gosh. And I don't have enough light.
No.
What? What? There he goes. Oh, buddy. Oh my gosh. Look at the spread on him. Oh my gosh, Avery, look at him.
What?
Holy cow. He is beautiful. Maybe he's going to come down this way. I hope he comes down and out here.